to my channel. Bibbity boobity bop. So one thing about lipsticks is you always gotta check them to make sure they're melanin efficient. So that's what we gonna do today. And this is something that my aunt gave me. So she gets a lot of makeup and she doesn't wear makeup, so she always passes it off to me. So yeah, that's that on it. So before we do any of that, got to get my wig on. So this is also going to be like a slight wig tutorial, and by slight I mean I'm probably not gonna do the whole thing for y'all. So yeah, we just pull. God damn, it's loud as hell. So yeah, we just pull her back like that. Pull her back like that. And bada boom, bada bam. Actually, let me get my mic. Bada boom, bada bam, turkey and ham. Okay, so now what you want to do, because you're going to have to let this glue dry. So I just got a clip and I'm going to clip my wig back. And then I got this little wig gluer. Sorry, I had to make sure it was recording. Because one time I did a whole tutorial and my eyebrows looked cute as fuck and it wasn't recording. And I was just like, huh? I was so mad, y'all. But I got this little wig dryer, I'm going to say. Because it helps your wig dry. So we're going to call this a wig dryer at Walgreens. So you're going to place that onto your hair. And you want to place it where the glue is, so that you actually gluing this baby down. So now I'm going to move on to eyebrows. You just draw a line in the direction of your eyebrow. And I'm just using an eyebrow pencil today. You can also use this eyebrow kit from e.l.f. And if you were going to use the kit, they come with this cute little brush. Yes, I might review that on another video, but I'm not going to use that today. I'm just using my pencil. And it's a little dull right now, so I'm just going to sharpen it back up. Because if you want your eyebrows to be sharp, you have to get your pencil sharp. Oh, I can't take myself seriously. Okay, so I'm going to draw my box, well, not the bottom of my box, under my other eyebrow as well. The motherfucking pencil just broke. Woo! So it's different ways that you can do your eyebrows, and I have different methods of doing mine. But I think the most important thing is the second box that you create with your concealer. So the first brush that I want to use is just this tiny brush, and I got this from Jewel Osco, and I'm just going to once again follow the direction of my eyebrows. Now, for the unboxing of this Tracy Frosted Lip Collection. So now, I am going to try out each shade and see if they are melanin efficient. Oh, one more thing before I begin. You always like to put on extra setting spray, especially now because it's so hot. It's never a bad idea to use some extra setting spray. So, this first shade that I'm going to try out is not listed on here. They don't even list. I'm not getting a good feeling about this, y'all. So they don't even name their shades. So I'm just going to call this Bubblegum. So we're going to try out Miss Bubblegum. And it don't even look like I put anything on my lips. Like, yeah, no. This one, if you wanted to ooh, I just thought of something kind of funny. So, if you wanted to use a lip gloss that looked like you just put Vaseline on your lips, then you might use Bubblegum. But Miss Bubblegum ain't working for me, so I'm just going to swipe her off. Next, we have Bubblegum with a little bit of olive oil. So I'm going to see if this darker shade does anything. So we got a little bit of a tint, but I ain't feeling it. So we just gonna put that down and leave that where it's at. And now we are going to move on to this wine looking color. And although it looks pink, I don't know if it's gonna look pink on my lips. So we're going to try this wine color one next. Okay. We get a little bit of a tint. And if you stuff this in there enough, you will get a good tint. So this is not bad. It's not terrible. I'm not too crazy about it, but oops. Y'all, I don't even know how to put lip gloss. Woo! Okay. So I'm not too crazy about Miss Wine, but I like her better than these two. These two could go in the trash because they look like I just put nothing on my lips. So now, I do have wipes actually, so I don't know why I'm using my hands to do this, but I just like being different. So now we're going to use this shade. I'm going to call her Cherry. And let's see what Miss Cherry has to offer me. So I had super low expectations. Wait, let me rub it in. But this one, ooh wee. Ooh wee. I mean, I guess it don't look like much or nothing, but I guess. Ooh y'all. So Ellen Tracy, I don't know who you are. She talking about this the Frosted Lip Collection. Ain't nothing frosted about this. This the Frosted Vaseline Collection. So that was her lip glosses. Wouldn't recommend those. Now I'm going to try out these lipsticks. And let's see if these have... Nope. They don't have shades. See, I should have known when they didn't have shades. They didn't even take the time to name these. So why would they take the time to make them show up on melanated skin? So we're going to call this Wine 2.0 because it almost matches the wine one. And let's see. I didn't wipe this 3 times onto my lip. And Y'all, I'm wasting my time, I feel like. But I want to finish this whole unboxing. I don't know what the fuck that was. I want to finish this whole unboxing, so I'm not going to even... I'm just going to wipe it off. I'm just going to wipe it off and pretend like that didn't happen. So now we got this hot pink shade. I don't have many expectations for it, as I shouldn't. I mean, see, my issue is that when you look at it, it looks like it's gonna come out hot pink, but then when you put it on, it just comes out ashy looking. I mean, it's not bad. It gives a little tint to it. It's like Italians versus white people. They just white people with a tint. And I know Italians are white. I just want it to be funny. So it's not terrible. I don't hate it. I'm gonna try to add some of this wine in to see if So it's not terrible. I don't hate it, but I don't love it. Nope. So Miss Ellen Tracy, whoever you are, you can take this frosted lip collection with highlighter and you can redo it, retry it. That's done. That's canceled. Probably never going to use any of these. But it came with a little bit of highlighter. So let's try to see if this I'm not even gonna waste my time. I don't have the time. I don't have the time to be wasted. So now what I'm going to do is use this Glitter Goes. See, they actually named it. See, when you don't name your lipstick, you get Miss Ellen Tracy. But I'm going to use this Glitter Goes oil spill. I'm going to outline my lips with that. Now I'm going to inline my lips with this Anastasia Beverly Hills Toffee. And this comes out like a nude for me. Then I'm going to come with this Magic Collection honey shade on top of this. And this is going to give me like a frosty look. But I would not recommend that Ellen Tracy shit. I would recommend, however, this Black Opal concealer. So that is my product review for today. If you enjoyed this video, stay tuned for more. And now I'm going to finish the look and then let you go.